What does it mean when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. How can you even come to this house and talk this type of nonsense?
Yes,
Are you not ashamed of yourselves?
don't make it abusive.
In saying, are you not ashamed? There is no abuse. You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. He has sold India because they are choking him. ठीक है, आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर. पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है. Epstein case. Sir, 3 million files.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़े.
Okay, तो बोलने तो दीजिए.
आप नियम जानिए.
सर, ग्रिप राजनीति में होती है सर. ग्रिप बिजनेस में होती है, पॉलिटिक्स में होती है. सर, जुजित्सु में ग्रिप दिखती है. दिखता है हाथ कहाँ है, चोक कैसे लग रहा है. सर, राजनीति में नहीं दिखती. कहाँ किसने ग्रिप ले रखी है, चोक कहाँ लग रहा है, वो दिखता नहीं है सर, छुपा रहता है. The era of one superpower is over. Intensifying geopolitical conflicts. You yourself say energy and finance weaponization, and you have allowed the Americans to weaponize our finance and our energy against us. What does it mean when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. What does it mean when they say your tariffs will go down? Our tariffs will go down and yours will come up. It means finance trade is weaponized. So you are telling us that the world is a place where geopolitical conflict is intensifying. You're telling us energy and finance being weaponized, and then you're having it done to you. You're having it done to our farmers. You're having it done to our youngsters. You're handing our data over. How can you even make these statements? How can you even come to this house and talk this type of nonsense?
Yes,
Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving?
No. We are patiently listening to Honorable Leader of Opposition. We are patiently listening. But the words.
So I'm not yielding, sir.
No, but you are saying shameful.
Parliamentary.
You are saying nonsense.
Nonsense.
So how can you? I won't
When
go
the
down that
finance
line.
minister replies in the evening, the leader of opposition should listen to the reply of the honorable finance minister. Yes. My request is, please use the word whatever you choose to use, but don't make it abusive. It doesn't.
That's not abusive, my friend.
Nonsense. जो nonsense आपने यूज किया वो कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. Nonsense is not appropriate.
I did not use nonsense, sir.
You have used.
Okay, sir, I won't use nonsense.
हाँ तो please.
Sir, ashamed is not an abuse.
नहीं.
There's nothing. In saying, are you not ashamed? There is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
Okay, sir, let me speak.
forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker, sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India?
Yes.
Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. स्पीकर साहब, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति की आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर. पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है. दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं. स्पीकर सर दो चीजें हैं सर. एक सर एप्स्टीन केस. सर 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं. मैं क्यों बोलूं?
I want to understand.
I will not allow you. आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए. नहीं, देखिए आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया. किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया.
Okay, Speaker sir, वो Epstein की बात नहीं कर रहा.
Is not related with the budget.
Okay, sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow you. That will
I'm not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget. Like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सदस्य नहीं जिस पे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे संभाल देंगे? वो किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं. अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़
ओके, तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए.
ओके,
आप नियम
सर,
जानिए.
अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए. देखिए, आप जो भी चाहे अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें. बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर.
बजट पे आलोचना
सर, आप मुझे
करें.
करने दीजिए.
आपको बिल्कुल लगा